For my next example, I give you a function, f of x equals 2x cubed minus 3x squared minus 36x. I also provide the graph so you don't have to try and sketch that. We're going to start with the domain. So for our domain, we're talking about the x values. So how far left can I go and how far right? I can always go left. This arrow points left. I can also always go right. And I don't have to pick up my pen or pencil in between. So it can be anything. So it's going to be the set of numbers such of x, such as x is an element of all the real numbers. For the range, that's talking about the y values, or up and down. This one goes down. This side goes up. And as I trace my graph, I don't have to pick up my pen or pencil. So it's going to be y or f of x, such as f of x is an element of all the real numbers. I can go down forever, or I could go up forever. The x-intercepts here, you're going to have to guesstimate a few of them because I'm not giving you the exact points. Most of the time on Desmos, you can type it in and get the exact points, or they'll be given to you nicely. So let's see, we've got 1, 2, 3 x-intercepts. One of our x-intercepts is going to be about negative 3.5-ish, 0. We're going to have one at 0, 0, and we'll have one at, looks like about 5, 0. Once we learn how to find them exactly, you're going to be required to do that. But until we do, sometimes we can guesstimate. Our y-intercept, where we cross the y-axis, is going to be 0, 0. And then there are increasing, decreasing. So as I go from left to right, I'm starting by increasing. This part's going up. I start increasing somewhere in negative infinity land, somewhere to the left. And I'm going to stop at the very top of this, which is negative 2 on my x-axis. When I hit negative 2, I'm now going down or decreasing. So I'm going to start decreasing at negative 2. I'm going to continue decreasing until I hit 3 on the x-axis. When I hit 3, I'm now increasing again. When you have an increase or decrease more than once, we're going to use this U here. It just means union. That means I have more than one thing going on. For the end behaviors, for my left arrow here, I'm going left forever. So that's going to be x approaches negative infinity. I'm also going down. So f of x approaches negative infinity. For my right arrow, I'm going right, so x approaches infinity, and I'm going up, so f of x approaches infinity. And then it asks me, is this continuous or discontinuous? As I follow my graph, I never have to pick up my pen or pencil. There's no asymptotes, gaps, holes, so it's going to be continuous. For problem 2, I've got a square root function. It's a square root of negative, and then in parentheses, x minus 2. So we're going to sketch a graph here. After we do that, we have to figure out our domain and our range. So remember, domain means all my x values. So x such as, this time even though I go left forever, I can't go right forever. So x is going to be less than or equal to, the furthest right I can go is 2. My range is talking about my y values.